We will have a full forecast in the next half hour, but it's time now for a very quick look at the weather. Hi, Helen.
Hi, Nina. Fairly quiet weather at the moment because we've got an area of high pressure keeping the weather fronts at bay. You can see it's actually stretching right the way across Central Europe. And actually what's really interesting about this is the next couple of days we switch our wind direction from this southwesterly to a southeasterly. So we're going to pull in that colder air. And although things stay fairly benign weather-wise, it will get chillier as we head into the weekend. But we'll still have lightish winds, so we'll still have those issues with mist and fog that we've seen in recent days, and we will see again tonight. I'll have more later, Nina.
See you then.
Nina, thank you. A tale of two halves really for you today. You've got the sunshine or it's the murk. This is Northern Ireland taking a little while ago. As you can see, some hazy sunshine coming through, but some of the fog has been reluctant to clear. This was Nuneaton a little earlier, but around the Welsh Marches towards Lincolnshire as well, we've got a few pockets of fog just lingering. And then across in Powys and Llandrindod-Wells, beautiful sunshine. So even with the sunshine, it's still chilly today, but the reason that we've got the grey weather, all the sunshine, is this stagnant area of high pressure. Very little changes. It's across much of Central Europe, but just a subtle change in wind direction the next couple of days. From the southwesterly to more of a southeasterly will pull in this slightly chillier weather that we've also got across Central Europe at the moment, which means our temperatures won't do quite so well, even with a little bit of brightness and sunshine as we go through the weekend. But some sunshine around, quite abundant today. Hazy across Scotland and Northern Ireland. We've got some rather thicker cloud across southern and eastern areas, but even here we see a little bit of sunshine coming and going, but it's not really helping our temperatures. They're a little lower than they were yesterday, notably across Scotland, where we got, of course, over 15 yesterday, around about 11 or so here through the rest of the afternoon. Overnight, very little changes because of this stagnating high pressure, but we probably will pick up just a bit more cloud as this weak weather front rushes into the north and west. The winds escalate close to gale force, and that fog returns across England and Wales, in particular hill fog further north. But it's across where we keep the clearer skies where we could have a touch of frost again. We had that last night, probably not as widespread tonight, but nevertheless a bit chilly as well as a bit murky first thing tomorrow morning. Our weather front, a weak affair, just gives a bit more cloud tomorrow across Scotland, Northern Ireland for a time, but then the afternoon sees things brightening up and we should lose the fog again, but there'll be quite a bit of cloud around, probably more than today on the whole, and therefore temperatures, well, they struggle, 7 or 8, but chillier still if the fog lingers. Always milder towards the north and west because we've got that southwesterly wind and more of it. But by Saturday you can see the blue colours starting to develop, more so on Sunday, and that's that hint that that chillier air is coming in, because although we'll still have our high pressure with us and it's largely dry, just rather cloudy, we will eventually start to see a little bit of patchy rain coming into the west. So it stays a little bit milder further north and west, but across England and Wales in particular, it is going to feel quite chilly this weekend, even if we see a bit of brightness. But remember, once again, we are going to have those issues with fog already with us at the moment, Nina, and returning again as we go through this evening and overnight. That's one to watch.
We'll keep an eye out. Helen, thank you.